key turns once, history wakes, still remembers. Let's ride. Born where dreams met roaring streets, forged in fire, forged to lead. Legends carved in chrome and steel, built to make the pavement yield. Every badge tells stories loud, every burnout draws a crowd. Generations chase the flame, muscle car still on the name. Oh, hear the heartbeat under the hood, more than power, it's understood. Every mile keeps hope alive. Turn the key, feel the drive. Raise your voice for the muscle car, rolling thunder, shining star. Horsepower that shakes the night, freedom running full delight. Chrome reflecting in the skies, fire burning in our eyes. Every road becomes our stage, muscle lives through every age. Morning sunlight hits the paint, every curve without restraint. Exhaust singing deep and proud, turning every single head in the crowd. Not just speed, it's who we are. Every scratch tells where we've gone. Family, friends, and memories made. Legends never seem to fade. Feel the rumble through your soul, every heartbeat takes control. Windows down, horizons wide, nothing beats this timeless ride. Raise your voice for the muscle car, rolling thunder, shining star. Horsepower that shakes the night, freedom running full delight. Chrome reflecting in the skies, fire burning in our eyes. Every road becomes our stage, muscle lives through every age. Long after engines fall silent, the stories never disappear. A generation hands the keys to another dream without fear. It's more than metal, more than speed, it's freedom built to live. Raise your voice for the muscle car, rolling thunder, shining star. Engines roaring, spirits high, hey. Chasing sunsets through the sky. Oh, come forever catches light, bold design in every side. From yesterday to roads afar, forever lives the muscle car. One last rumble, one last flame, one last flame. Legacies fade, but never the name. Oh, to the muscle car.